calcium, magnesium, potassium, manganese, vitamins, fiber, and so much more. Did you know a simple clove contained all of this? In this video, we'll be exploring the benefits of cloves, how to take cloves the proper way, and the risks and side effects you really should know about this potent flower bud. Let's get to it. Nutrients in cloves. Despite their tiny size, cloves have a ton of nutrients. Just 1 teaspoon of ground cloves contains only 6 calories, but it offers 1 gram of fiber, which is about 3% of the daily value, giving you an incredible list of health benefits that we will get into later in the video. This tiny amount also provides 55% of the daily value for manganese, an essential mineral crucial for bone health and metabolic function. Additionally, cloves contain small amounts of vitamin K and vitamin C, contributing 2% and 1% of the daily value, respectively. With just 1 gram of carbs per teaspoon, cloves are a nutrient-dense addition to your diet. Benefits of cloves. One of the most notable benefits of cloves is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. And the primary compound in cloves, eugenol, has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This can help manage conditions like arthritis by reducing inflammation and pain in the joints. Cloves are also very effective for digestive health as well. They can promote better digestion by increasing the production of digestive enzymes, which helps in breaking down food more efficiently. This can reduce symptoms of indigestion, gas, and bloating, making your digestive system more comfortable. Cloves also have antibacterial properties that can help combat harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of gum disease and improving overall dental health. They can even be used to temporarily relieve toothaches due to their numbing effect. Another significant benefit of cloves is their ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that compounds in cloves can improve insulin sensitivity, making them beneficial for managing diabetes. Additionally, the nutrients in cloves may improve liver health by enhancing its function and protecting it against injury. The compounds such as manganese in cloves can also improve bone health by preserving bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Cloves have also been found to have potential anti-cancer properties, as eugenol can help induce cell death in cancer cells and reduce tumor growth. The best ways to take cloves. Incorporating cloves into your daily routine is rather easy. You can add a few whole cloves to soups, stews, or teas for a warm, aromatic flavor. Ground cloves can be sprinkled into baked goods, smoothies, or oatmeal for a nutrient boost. Clove oil is another option, which can be used for topical applications to relieve toothaches or for a soothing massage. Additionally, brewing clove tea by steeping whole cloves in hot water creates a comforting, health-boosting drink. Risks and side effects of cloves. While cloves offer these fantastic benefits, it's important to be aware of potential risks and side effects you may have. Some people may experience allergic reactions to cloves, including skin irritation or respiratory issues. Consuming large amounts of cloves can cause digestive problems such as nausea or diarrhea. Cloves can also act as a blood thinner due to their eugenol content, which may interfere with blood-thinning medications. Excessive use of cloves can reduce your blood sugar to unhealthy levels, especially if you are hypoglycemic. Additionally, excessive consumption of clove oil can actually be toxic, leading to symptoms such as liver damage or seizures. As with any supplement, it's best to use cloves in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication for conditions such as diabetes, or if you are pregnant or is nursing. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It takes a lot of time and effort for us to do the research, verify the facts, and bring these educational content to you. Leave a comment if you have any questions, insights, or a simple thank you to share. It helps us bring more educational content like this to keep you well informed. Thank you, and see you in the next one.